Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet exciting feature on Instagram that allows you to reply to stories using emojis, especially from highlights, all while using your PC. With the latest updates, this process has become even more user-friendly. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your feed and various options on the left side of the screen. Next, enter the profile that contains the story you want to react to. You can do this by searching for their username in the search bar at the top of the page. Click on their profile to view their posts and stories. Once you're on their profile page, look under their bio for the section that showcases their highlights. Highlights are collections of stories that users choose to keep visible beyond the usual 24-hour limit. Click on the highlight that contains the story you wish to respond to. After selecting the highlight, you'll see a collection of stories. Choose the specific story you want to reply to. Now, look for the sending message bar at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can type messages or send quick reactions. Click on this message bar and you'll notice an option to choose an emoji. Instagram provides a variety of emojis for you to select from. Pick one that best expresses your reaction to the story. Whether it's a laughing face, heart eyes, or any other fun emoji, this is your chance to show how you feel. Finally, once you've chosen your emoji, hit send. Your emoji will be sent as a direct message to the user who posted the story. They'll receive your reaction and can respond back if they wish. And there you have it. Replying to stories from highlights with emojis on Instagram via PC is straightforward and adds a fun element to your interactions. So go ahead, try it out, and enhance your Instagram experience.